How's it going, guys? This is Alistair. I welcome you to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create cluster reports using odbc connection. So before you proceed, guys, you need to download cluster reports for Visual Studio and mysql connector odbc and install it. I've already done that. So you need to create a new project and create a new project. Let me name this project students. Okay, so here I've already created a database. My database, I named it students, and I created a table which is student list. So before we proceed, you need to add the database. We need to set up our database to the odbc driver. So let me just search for odbc, this one. Need to add, click on add, then you need to search for odbc and driver, then click finish. I'm gonna name my data source name is students, right? Description, I'll leave it blank. And I'm using localhost 1.0.1. my username is root and password is blank. So need to select a database from here. My database is students. Okay, and test the connection is successful, then click OK. Alright, so going back to our project, right? Now we need to add the cluster reports from here. Click on new, add new item. Gonna select reporting, select cluster reports. I'm gonna name my cluster report students. Students. Okay. Wait for that to load. Yes. Going to use the standard form. Then click on new connection. Then use odbc connection. I'm using the localhost, so I'm going to click localhost, then click next. Then my user ID is a root for the database that you created. Then you're going to type your database name. Okay, our database is students, right? Is it students, right? Yes, students. So okay, so once you've done that, the database will appear here, and your table, which is student list, here. So click this arrow for it to be selected table, and click next, and now click finish. Okay, now our database is added to the. So what you need to do, I'll put the report header. You can put a text field, text object here, and just say students reports. Okay, student reports. Okay. So you need to go and select on database fields. This is our student list. So this is our database that we selected. This is the date. So I'll drag these fields here. I'll drag the name, surname, and the initials. Okay. So this needs to be here. Okay. Right here, you need to add just say text object. I'll say here. Then I'll type name. Then text I say initials. Okay, right. I'm going to my design. Just save this to my design. From here I need to go to toolbox and then add the cluster report viewer. Let's search for this report viewer. I'm gonna add for this to be added to our project. Right now it's added to our project. I want to double click my form here. Okay, right. Okay, so what you need to do is I'll say when this form load, it's going to load the data from the cluster reports. Okay, so what you need to do is I say cluster. We have named our project this report, which is students. So you just say students. Students. Let's say S is equals to new students. Okay. All right. Then this cluster reports, which is this one, I use the default name, so it's supposed to be just cluster viewer dot report source. Right, is equals to S. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So let us just save this and run this. Okay, so that's it. Cluster reports it now added. You can see our database from our data from that from our database, which is this one. You can see this is gender. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching.